Hello, greetings from Boonary TV. In today's bizarre news, we'll see the topic the baby with an extra head. Who is she? What's her sad and heartbreaking life story? Take a look. This baby is Manar Majed. She was born on 30th March 2004 with a rare birth defect called Craniopagus parasiticus. What exactly is this defect? It develops when an embryo in the mother's womb starts to split into identical twins, but does not complete the entire process. Often, the second twin is undeveloped. The twin mostly forms as an extra limb, but in Manar's extremely unusual case, it formed as a second head attached to her skull, and the rest of the body of the twin failed to fully develop a body. The mother of this baby is an Egyptian woman. With her fertility treatments, she eventually conceived and was overjoyed when she found out she was pregnant with twins. She felt she was blessed. However, the pregnancy was difficult, and she often was left extremely tired and weak. But it wasn't until the delivery the doctors discovered something was terribly wrong. Doctors performed an emergency C-section and quickly learned that the second baby was conjoined. What happened next? Take a look. The twins had the most unusual birth defect in the world. The head of the attached child, later named Islam, was fully developed with eyes, a nose, mouth, and even a brain, but it didn't have life of its own. The twins were completely attached from the side. Manar and her twin Islam had two different brains. Sometimes Manar was smiling and Ismail was crying. Different reactions. The twins shared a common blood vessel that fed off of Manar's vital organs. Because Islam didn't have a heart to survive on, it was dependent on Manar's heart and lungs for survival. Because of this, Manar suffered severe heart failures 6 times in the first few months of her life. This was happening because the twin was completely reliant on the baby. Manar could also not crawl or sit upright because of the extra weight being carried by the twin head. Could the two babies have survived like this? What about any other cases in history? Take a look. So far in history, the number of documented cases of Craniopagus parasiticus in the world are only 10. This is actually a very rare occurrence. Another incident is of the so-called two-headed boy of Bengal, who was born in 1783. The child died later, but his skull remains in the collection of the Hunterian Museum of the Royal College of Surgeons of London, just as you can see in the picture alongside. Back in those days, There was no medical advancement to perform surgeries like this, but in Manar's case, the twin was sucking life out of Manar. So, doctors were forced to perform a radical surgery that had never been done before. In fact, it had only been attempted once in history, and no child had ever survived it. When the baby was 10 months old, a team of 14 specialized doctors then performed the highly complicated surgery. It took nearly 13 hours, and finally, for the first time in history, the surgery was successful. Baby Manar survived. But sadly, on March 25, 2006, she passed away just before she could turn 2 years old. She had a brain infection. The story of this baby was also shown on the Oprah Winfrey Show. Our heart breaks to empathize the pain which the mother must have gone through on losing her child in spite of the successful but short-lived surgery.